Hello friends, day 112, and I finished the section of the Cumbria Way that I was doing. I left that this morning and headed down into Ambleside. I met Daisy and Luke again, and the swimmers, so that was fun, all in Ambleside. I then continued over into Windermere, and tonight I've ended up at Staveley. As you can see, I'm in a pub. It's beginning to be a bit of a habit really, isn't it? But it's quite good because I can have my evening meal in the pub, and I've found a field just around the corner that I can go and camp in afterwards. Let's have a look at where I've been today, and in the meantime I will see you on the trail.